Think about how many times this week your team explained the same things to Manus. Who your customers are, how your process works, how you like things written. Every person in every task re-explaining these things from scratch. Projects fix that. And on a team plan, your team can build one project and everyone can work inside it. A quick recap on projects. A project is a workspace with its own instructions, files, connectors, and skills. And every task you run inside it starts with all of that context already loaded. We cover them properly in the fundamentals course. What changes on a team plan is that a project can be shared to your team, so everyone can work inside the exact same context. To see it in action, let's make a sales agent for a sales team. I'll create a project and call it Sales Agent. Then I'll add my project instructions, the sales playbook, our qualification rules, how we talk, and the tone and phrases we use. Then for files, I'll attach some case studies, our pricing sheet, and battle cards for the competitors we come up against. Finally, I'll attach a connector. In this case, I'll use my team's HubSpot, so it can see our live pipeline. The final step is sharing it. I'll open the project and click on the Share button. I can give the whole team view or edit access, or keep the team on view permissions and give edit to specific people. Owners and editors shape the project, like its files, instructions, and settings, while viewers work inside it without changing it. I'll give the team edit access. Just like with sharing and collaborating on tasks, this means my team has access, but the project won't automatically show up for them. I'll still have to share the project link with them for them to then add it to their workspace. That's the setup done. Now let's see what it's like to use as a team member. A teammate might open a new task in the project and ask to draft a personalized outreach email for a specific client referencing a case study most relevant to that industry. They don't have to upload any of this information or explain anything specifically. Manus reads the project instructions, then you can see it going into HubSpot and finding the right contact, pulling the matching case study from the project files, and writing an email in our tone. This is a usable email from their first prompt. Someone else might ask to audit their pipeline, flag anything stale, and note where a competitor's in play. Once again, Manus pulls from HubSpot and whatever else in the project it needs. In this case, the battle cards. And it will respond with all the right information. And a project can keep getting better as you work. Say we close a deal against a new competitor. A teammate with edit access can drop the new battle card into the project files, and from that moment, every task anyone runs will be preloaded with that information. It's the same with instructions. If someone notices the agent doing something they'd want done differently, they can define the instructions and it can be fixed for everyone using the project. Another great feature here is scheduled tasks within projects. These run inside your project on a set schedule with access to the same instructions, files, connectors, and skills. I'll set an audit to run every Monday morning at 8 AM inside the project simply by asking Manus. Manus will detect that it's a scheduled task, figure out exactly what the task entails, and then create a scheduled task for it. This scheduled task will inherit everything in the project, like the instructions, the files, the HubSpot access, and the report will be waiting in the project every Monday morning. Now it's your turn. Pick something your team explains to Manus repeatedly and build a project for it. Add real instructions and a few real files, then share it and have a teammate run a task inside of it.